Okay, welcome back, garden family. We're going to go to the back. In my previous little short video, I harvested some mustard greens that were in the back on the side of my house in containers that were left there from last year. And so back here I have some wild red giant mustard greens, and I say wild because I never planted them. So we're going to go back here and harvest these little bad babies right now. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? I would show you the rest of the yard, but it's a mess. But maybe I will. This is my jungle. I have an orange tree down there. We have the fig tree here. Oh, she's so beautiful. We have the nectarine here. And we have the blackberry here. And the blackberry looks like she's fruiting. She grew real strange. But anyway, back to these beauties. Look at them. They're all the way over there. These mustard greens are very spicy. If anyone's never tasted them before, they're very spicy. I never had a spicy mustard before. I'm also looking to my left where I see some turnips that have gone to seed. So I'm just going to leave them alone. And so I just wanted to remind you to remember to always do your best, be blessed, and try to grow something. And you'll be surprised at what grows on its own. Start your garden anywhere. Doesn't matter. Get your food. All right? Remember to always do your best, be blessed, and grow something.